everyone, how are you? Hope you're doing well. I'm Achintya Radhika here with a new topic for class 6 Civics, chapter Understanding Diversity. Friends, our today's topic will be diversity in India. So, diversity in India. As I've already told you that India is a country of diversity. India is what? A country of diversity. So, how India is a country of diversity? So I've told you many examples, such as India is a country of diversity in terms of food, different types of food we eat, in terms of languages, dressing sense, tradition, cultural backgrounds, right? So this is how we can say that India is a country of diversity. Okay, but friends, most of the things are similar. Only we do them in different ways. Means there are some work which are similar, which is done by every person. But each and every person is doing that thing in different ways. So for example, different ways in which people pray. So some people go to temple and do worship. Some people go to masjids and do worship. Some people go to church and do worship, right? So different ways in which people do worship. Okay. Then different ways in which people get married. So different ways in which people get married. Is there any person who is not getting married? No. So different ways are there for getting married. For example, I can say that Hindu people are getting married in Hindu tradition. Muslims are getting married in Muslim tradition. Christians are getting married in the church, or we can say in the Christian tradition. So each and every person or a religion is getting married in a different way. Right, so after that, different ways in which people dress. So now I am wearing a dress. Right? Now you're watching this video. At that time, you are also wearing a dress. Okay, so I'm also wearing a dress. You're also wearing a dress. Is my dress and your dress same? No, you might be wearing a different dress now. So you are wearing a different dress, I am wearing different dress. This is diversity in terms of clothes. Both are wearing clothes. You are also, I am also. The cloth is different, but now just like that, there is a person wearing dhoti kurta, frock, shalwar suit, right, ghagra choli or simple skirt top, right? So different ways in which people dress also. Then different ways in which people greet each other. How greet each other? Some people say namaste, some people simply in English say hi, hello like that, or some people just say in Punjabi sat sri akal, right? So different ways in which people greet each other. Okay, then different ways in which people cook rice. Different ways in which people cook rice. So in India, is there any person who is not eating rice? I hope so every person is eating rice in India, right? So rice is also cooked in different ways. How? See, some people cook simple dal and chawal. Means rice and dal are cooked simply in a house, and in some people cook the rice. In that rice they put meat, then water and some spices. So what they get, they eat then biryani. So some people eat simple dal chawal and some are eating biryani. From that only, from that rice, what do we get? From that rice only we get idli also, right? So idli is also obtained from rice only. It's obtained from rice only. We just grind it up. So idli is also made from rice. So we can say rice connection is there. So is there any person who is not eating rice? Eating rice, but in different ways. Okay. So I hope so you have understood this. After that, how do we explain diversity? Now we need to explain about diversity. How does diversity? How we can say that there is diversity? Now tell me. I'm telling you, wait. See, diversity due to the movement of people from one place to the other place. When a person is moving from one place to the other, so what happens? Diversity comes. How it comes? Let me tell you an example. See, there is a family which is living in Kashmir. From there, that family is traveling, is moving from Kashmir to UP, to Uttar Pradesh. Okay, so from Kashmir to Uttar Pradesh. Is there any difference? Yes, there is a lot of diversity. How? Let me tell you. The clothes that family is wearing in Kashmir is of wool. Woolen clothes are worn in Kashmir because there is very cold now. So in Uttar Pradesh the climate is moderate, so normal t-shirts and pants like that are worn. So the different in the clothes also, the clothes differences there. Maybe the language is also different, right? So like that we can see. So from Kashmir to UP, a family is traveling, so that family will be seeing a lot of diversity around themselves, right? So like that we can say. And geographical features also influence diversity. How? Now in Kashmir the climate is very cold, right? But in UP, in Uttar Pradesh, how's the climate? It's moderate, sometimes hot, sometimes cold. So it's a moderate climate, but in Kashmir it's cold, right? So I hope so you have understood this. So now finally we can say that historical and geographical features, or we can say factors, influence the diversity of a region. What? The diversity of a region. Historical, geographical features influence what? Diversity of a region. History, geography, civics, all are interconnected, right? So history, geography, civics. Wow. So historical and geographical features influence what? Diversity of a region. So I'll be explaining you this topic, this concept of diversity in India with the help of two examples. And the example is of Ladakh and Kerala. So Ladakh and Kerala. So as you can see that the blue part is what? Ladakh. The uppermost part of India is Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh. So the the part which is colored with blue you can see, so that's what? Ladakh. And the red colored point you can see, that's what? Kerala. The Kerala is where it's located in the in the southwest part of India. Okay. So in the southmost point of India is what? Kerala. So Ladakh and Kerala, I hope so you have clear. So now I have a homework for you all. What's that homework? That homework is that you need to find out the food people eat at both these places. Both these places? What both these places? Of Ladakh and Kerala. You need to find out that what is the food the people eat in both in both these places, Ladakh and Kerala. Then the clothes they wear. What type of clothes they wear in Ladakh and Kerala? Is there any change in clothes from Ladakh and Kerala? You need to tell me that. Then the work they do. What is the profession of the people of Ladakh and Kerala? That also you need to tell me in the comment section. Okay friends, so if this video is informative for you, do like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.